I hope you all had read the instruction in the screen, but for the recent joiners, I will quickly list some online etiquettes. Please log in with your name and avoid names like iPhone, Samsung, etc. You can do that if you go to participants list. You will find an option to rename your name there. Keep your video on. Keep your audio off unless you are asked to unmute. I recommend you to keep your pen and paper ready and take lots of notes, as the facts and details you are going to hear may influence some life-changing decisions. After the presentation, book an appointment with the person who invited you to this presentation and get your questions answered. Today's presentation is going to be done by an awesome couple, Dev and Seema. They are highly successful entrepreneurs. Dev had completed his master's in management and Seema's background is in finance. They are running multiple businesses in multiple countries and helping lots of young entrepreneurs around the world. Without any further delay, please help me welcome Dev and Seema to do the presentation. Over to you, Dev.
Thank you, Kamraj. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. How are we doing? Great. All you can, everyone can listen to me. Yeah, great. Thank you very much. Okay. So without delaying, I'm going to start the presentation. Let me share my screen to you guys. Right. Cool. Fantastic. So we all can see the screen. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I'm going to keep my presentation very simple, and I split my presentation into three categories, basically. The reason I split into three categories, we should know whatever we're doing, is this a right decision or not? I'm sure there's so many people on this platform, including me. I did master in management. Am I using my degree? No. Why I'm not using my degree? Because I realized my degree not taking me towards my dream. Okay, so many people on this platform, if I ask a question, one question from them, if you get one more chance to start your life again, will you gonna do same thing in your life? And I'm sure most of the people will say no, right? So it's very, very important to understand where we're making mistakes, where we're making errors. And after a couple of years or few or a 10-year or 20-year time period, we realize, man, we make a mistake. So before the business model I'm going to show you, we need to find out our errors, our mistakes. Second, we need to do research. So many times when we went to buy a laptop, mobile phone, or even looking for jobs, we do lots of research. Even I remember when I crossed my 10th standard, to choosing my do I want to use commerce or arts or science? These three categories we have to choose in India after finishing 10th standard. I done lots of research. At the same time, when we looking for university, we do lots of research, right? But when the time comes to start a business, we make again a huge mistake, right? So we need to do the research. So we need to understand the model I'm going to show you. Will it fit into the current scenario or not? It's very, very important to know, right? Then at the end of my presentation, I'm going to introduce my business model, right? So this is the agenda, mistakes and error. We all know, money is a very, very essential part. If you want a happy marriage life, money is very, very important. If you want to be a good son of, of your father, you need to be making a good, handsome money, right? So money is very, very important part. So whenever we look for to making money, everyone from inside, we all greedy. That's the reason we go for jobs, only for money. We don't work for free. So we need to understand there is two kind of people. Those who chase money, one of them are greedy, and some of them are ambitious. And those who are ambitious, those are people basically manage to touch in the sky, right? Those who ambitious, basically, they normally end up in a business category. So whenever we look for business, we want to start a business, let's understand some business ideas, okay? So when we start thinking for business, guys, you all need to start thinking. Do we get this kind of ideas? Start a shop, pet shop, DIY shop, corner shop, grocery store, off license, or a hospitality, not 5-star hotel, but bed and breakfast, restaurant, takeaway, something like that, right? Transportation, courier, something, lorry or something, or real estate. buy one more property and rent it out, or try to buy a property from auction, which I used to do, and I renovate the property and sell it, something like that, right? Or contractor. You can be IT contractor, can be electrical contractor, can be plumber contractor, right? These kind of businesses comes in our mind. Or I heard a lot about this investment in Bitcoin. If you can have a living out of it, it's good. Otherwise, just like a hobby, right? Consultancy. You might be a doctor, accountant, or IT. You can start a consultancy firm, right? Import, export, trading. I am from India. I used to do, import and export, these kind of businesses. Am I doing same thing? No. Coaching institute, again, using our expertise to start a coaching institute or something like that, right? Or start an e-commerce. When we start our e-commerce, and we're using a third-party platform like Amazon, eBay, or something like that, right? A part of that, I want to ask, any other idea has anybody in their mind? Do you have any other ideas? I've done my research. I couldn't find any other business a part of these businesses. And I'm sure everyone on this platform, this is the idea we all know about. Am I right? Cool. Why we get all these ideas? The reason we get all these ideas, because these are conventional business ideas. We all know about these ideas, right? And that's the reason there is a huge competition as well. And in the same time, when we start in these ideas, when we start working on these ideas without doing any research and getting some information or expertise or any mentors, without having any mentors, what happened? These businesses become a liability. What I mean by liability, right? Think about you running a shop. You need to get lots of goods, in this shop, and require lots of money. Can you leave your shop go for 1 month holiday? No. You need to be there. And another thing, there's a fear factor. The fear factor is, if you out for long period, if you're out from your business, you're going to lose your client. That's a problem. What we call win and lose kind of business, in which you are winning and your client is losing. And the time you're away from your client start looking for somebody else. There is no loyalty there, right? Now, why the question comes, why we have these kind of ideas in our mind? Why, right? We need to understand that. But another thing, if you have any question, any other business idea in your mind, so if that falls under the same category in which that requires certain activity to make money, you go open the shop, then you make money. You do consultancy, then you make money. You sell something on e-commerce, then you make money. You open your institute, you do some lecture there, you make money. On same thing, if you do certain activity, you're making money. It's the same kind of ideas, nothing else, right? So question come, what other businesses? Why we don't get any other ideas? Some a part of these businesses. The problem is power of association. What I mean by power association? So I create some categories here. Have a look, guys. These are people, like working in a labor class, in a warehouse or something like that, right? The problem is, we all remember, when we in a school, we had a friend circle, very good friend circle. And the time we moved from school to university, those who friend living in our nearby, our neighborhood, we still have a connection with them because we still, see each other. A part of that, all these students, all our friends, they're gone. We forgot about them, right? We have a new friend circle because we're mingling with them. So that's our friend circle. At the same time, when we leave our university, go to job, we forgot about all this friend circle because they have their own circle now. They work in a different areas. We can't meet them, so we lost our connection. And then again, we have our new circle. So that's the reason where we work, we create our social network there. Now understand this guy. Can you see my cursor, guys? Right? This guy, if he want to make money, to whom he gonna approach? The people he's working nearby. Right? This is his social network, and they all were more or less making similar kind of amount of money. How the person can advise him that how you can make more money? Right? Most of the time, this is manager making more money because he's a well qualified. Why don't you have some degrees? And when we go for more degrees and all, we become some perfection, some expertise. Again, there is a limitation. You might be making 3,000 pounds or 5,000 pounds, but the problem in these countries, doesn't matter which part of the world you live. More you make, more higher taxes you pay. This is a very, clever part. They give us a nice suit, nice coat, nice computer, and because we have a high salary, the bank also lend us a loan, so we'll make sure we keep going for job. We're stuck in a big kind of 9 to 5 rat race, right? So here's the thing. If this guy want to make more than £5,000 a month, where he gonna go? He gonna ask all these people, right? And when all these people making similar kind of money, or even if you ask from these people as well, what sort of ideas he gonna get? He's gonna get same conventional business ideas. Now, the common thing in all this sector, they go for work, they make money. They go for work, they make money. They go for shop or they go for their office, they make money. Again, require activity-based income. Where are we making problem? Where are we making a mistake? Mistake of power of wrong association. Now, association is right. People are nice, they love us, they care about us. That's why they want to give us the right idea, whatever they have in their mind, the information they have. It's not they're wrong people, but it's our mistake. We're asking from the wrong people. Who's the right people to approach? These people, those who are really, really financially free. Now, the question is, can we approach them? That's a question. Now, we can't approach them, but we can understand their mindset at least. What exactly they're doing, what exactly we are not doing, right? So how we can find out, So on this presentation, while we're doing a second category research and information, we're going to talk about these people mindset versus these people mindsets, how they think and how these people think, and accordingly we're going to start research what's going on around the world. If you want to buy an Apple phone, you're going to look around the best phone, right? You want to start a business, you want to start a best business, right? So let's start, guys. Okay, so employee versus business quadrant mindset, we're going to talk about in this presentation. I'm going to keep my presentation very, very simple, very, very simple, so everybody can understand, because I don't understand a huge kind of heavy vocabulary, because my vocabulary is no good. So I understand when I see this presentation that was very simple, it goes in, I easily sink in my mind. So I'm going to keep it very simple, guys. All right. Right. Who want this lifestyle? We all want. Who's having this lifestyle in this category? We all know. The people in B quadrant, right? This is the lifestyle they have. We, doesn't matter on E quadrant or S quadrant, we have this kind of lifestyle. Am I right, guys? Those who are making big salaries, they might be not moving in economy class in the plane. They might be going in a business class. But again, they end up with the same kind of scenario. They have to go out every day. So they make sure they can bring food in the table, right? So the common thing with this slide and this slide, if somebody want this kind of lifestyle, it requires lots of hard work, touch of smartness. And in this lifestyle, it requires again lots of hard work. So you have a wonderful choice, guys. We're working hard anyway. So why not we work hard for this life? Right? Again, how we can get this life, I'm going to show you, but let's do some research what's going on around the world, right? These called 21st century business model. Have a look at their revenue quickly. I'm sure everybody can see their revenue. Why are they called 21st century business model? Because they start around year 2000 onwards, and within a 3 to 8 year, they become $1 billion business. And they doesn't fall under the category of conventional business idea. They fall under the category of smart ideas, right? Now, if all they become between 3 to 8 years, they become $1 billion business, must be some similarity they have. So we need to dig down to understand their business model first before we start thinking to start any business, right? So I picked some couple of business model, and we're going to talk about those business model here, guys, right? So we're going to talk about some liability, expense, and saving here. And end of this slide, we're going to talk about outsourcing headache. Why? Because I understand they work on these two categories. They convert people liability expense into saving. And in the same time, they say, man, we start the business to make money, not to solving the problem. So the problem is whatever department they have a full of headache, they want to outsource that. Let's work it out. Here we go. Liability-based expense. The reason these 21st century business model, they convert people liability expense into a saving because they want to build an online asset. Wow, I never heard this term called online asset in my life. I heard from my loved ones, they have an asset-based income, they have a multiple houses, they're getting a rent out of it, and that's it. And when I asked them, and do you know anything, online asset or something different kind of asset-based income? They said, no, we don't know. But these people, they come with the idea called online assets. Now, understand what I mean by online asset. Here we go. First, we take some example. What is the liability-based expenses are? Okay, how many people have a car in this room? All of us. Okay, I can see Supreet Kaur on my screen. Cool. Kamraj, yeah, Girish, yeah. So I'm sure we all have a car here. So let me know. When we don't have a car, do we have any expense called insurance, road tax, MOT, VAT of the car, servicing? No, we don't have those expenses, right? The time we have this car, those expenses part of our package. We can't ignore those expenses. We can't drive car without road tax, without insurance, right? So we have to bear those expenses. That's called liability-based expenses, guys, right? Understand the second part, calling India. When I came in this country, I always called my parents back home in India. I still call them, back home. And that time, I used to spend a lot of money on international calling card. Third, houses. Doesn't matter you live in the house or you don't live in the house. There are lots of expense. Your VAT in the house. You want to whitewashing in your house on the walls. Make your decoration, electricity bill, water bill, council tax. All those expenses there. And if you have any spare room, that spare room become a liability because you have to bear that expense for that room as well. Or if you have two houses, another house become a liability again because you have expense. You have to rent it out or you have to find the way to rent it out, right? Third, not least, supermarket. How many people they go for Tesco for fun? Oh, today I feel like to go for shopping. I know we don't, right? But we have to go there, right? Because there is no such day I can tell my wife, hey, Seema, you know what? Today we're going to finish the toothpaste. How about I can buy from maybe next month? I'm sure my Seema gonna say, let's meet in a court, right? Same, let's say, we finish with the washing powder, Seema, we'll buy next month. Huge problem, guys, huge problem. We have to buy those products. So that's the reason we have to go liability-based expense. Understand that part, liability-based expense. Now, here are some smart people. They dig down on those areas. They pick one particular area, concept. So there is a guy called, a company called Uber. The guy come with this idea. He said, man, you understand you have those expenses. Why don't you come to my platform? You come to my platform, I can convert those expenses into saving, or you're going to make more money out of that. Why are they helping me to save, for saving? The reason they're helping me for saving or making more money, basically they're building an online asset. How much they're building? 75.5 billion. Understand the guy. Now, this model, I was reading the book called 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, in which the writer talking about three kind of business model. One is in which the person winning, other person losing, or there is a first person losing, the other person winning, or there is a third business model which called win and win business model. These businesses are called 21st century business model because they are win-win. On the win-win business model, in a conventional business model, the client, they have lots of places to go. How many people, those who are say, I'm loyal to Tesco? We are not. We can go to Asda, we go to Morrison, we look for deal, we can go anywhere, right? We are not. So it means Tesco winning, we are losing. That's the reason we are not loyal. So understand that part. Nowadays, if you have any business model, if that come under the category of win-win, that is a right model. This is what I understand so far, which I'm going to talk about more, a little bit more about it. Now, how much he creates, 75.5 billion. How much this person create? He created basically nothing. His car getting his car value getting down and down and down anyway. He have to get another loan to survive another 5-6 years. Same, the other guy come with the idea, WhatsApp. He says, man, why don't you come to my platform? I said, why I need to come to your platform? I said, you come to my network. I can convert you the 50, 60 pound a month, which you spend on international calling card. I can save those money. Well, why he want to save my money? Because end of the day, he's saving my money just for clear, because I'm calling my back home free of cost now. I'm sure everyone on this platform. Why is helping me? The reason he's helping me, he's creating an online asset worth of 25 billion. Amazing. Is there any day when I can delete my WhatsApp? Impossible. Why? Because it's a win-win. I'm also winning, other person also winning, but other person winning in a bigger scale, right? That's called loyalty. They're taking our loyalty in the same time. In conventional business, we can't take the loyalty of the customer. Understand, what's going on nowadays, right? Same with the Airbnb. In Airbnb business, again, they says, man, you understand you have some empty room, I can help you to generate some money. Just come to my platform. Again, it's all free. You come to my platform, you can start making money from your free one empty room or one from a spare house or something like that. But why is helping me? He's creating worth of $38 billion worth of online asset. Now imagine this on these models. What the common? They all have a win-win model, right? They all helping their clients, so they're taking their loyalty with them. We won't go anywhere now. Now we need to understand our model. What is our model? Our model is this trolley. So far, nobody enter in this field. All those people, somebody went to a communication, somebody went to a transportation, somebody went to a hospitality industry. So far, nobody enters. So we explored this area, right? In this area, we have to go. Again, this is a liability-based expense. We have to go. We says, man, don't go there. You keep doing shopping. Just change your shopping location. Come to us. We can not offering you saving or small income. We're offering you proper win-win business model in which you having your own platform. And with the help of our mentorship program, you have 100% opportunity to come on this area where you can build your online asset. Because we understand, we are not from business background. So how we can build this kind of business? We don't have that mindset. But you don't need to worry about, I'm going to talk about our mentorship program, which is called BWW, fantastic mentorship program where you can learn, and lots of expert people, those are making huge money out of this concept. They will help you. Imagine you start an Uber kind of business and you go to Uber, I started some Uber kind of business, something Namaste car, do you think the Uber will help you to start your own business? No, you don't want to create a competition, but our business model is a proper win-win in which the amount of money I am making in this business or we are making in this business, I can help you to make similar kind of income. This is an incredible, proper 21st century business model. Now the question comes, the headache part, which I'm talking about. We need to understand the headache part, right? So what is the headache part in these business models? Because we understand it's a smart business model, and these business models, they start to make money, not to solving the problem. So in Uber, the big headache is to buy all those millions of cars and employ all those millions of drivers. I'm sure now you understand this is can be very headache to service all those cars, to look after the maintenance and all, and the demand of employees and all. It's a headache. They outsourced. They say, man, it's your car, make money. Doesn't matter your tie or not. We know so many people, they finish their cubicle life, and in the evening, they do Uber. Right? Same with the calling card. Imagine this WhatsApp come with the same plastic card, having a distribution network, giving a commission to the shopkeeper, and then they have a complaint, the card is not working. It's a headache. They say, man, simple, my app is simple, it's free. Just tick on the terms and conditions, means you behave on my platform, right? And then you can call. If you can't talk to your loved ones properly, don't come back to me because I'm not asking any money. So no headache. Same with the Airbnb, the biggest hotel chain in the world started in 2007, 2020 now, this company worth of 38 billion. How many money so far we save? The bigger question we need to ask ourselves, these people, they're making billions and billions. How? The biggest headache is, imagine if the Airbnb have to build all these hotels and all. He outsource my room, my house, and make me host in my free of cost manager, free manager. Amazing platform, guys. Now, if you understand those headache parts in our business model, now you understand what is the headache part is. All those products which we can see. Imagine if you have to manufacture all those huge staff and everything. Think about this Apple company having a 4 or 5 products in their pocket. Even those 4 or 5 products they don't want to manufacture. They manufacture all those products with third parties. There's a different manufacturer based in India. He manufactures all those products. So here's a 500-600 kind of lines. We have to think about manufacturing. So we need to understand outsource those products, right? So far we understand the business model. We understand the headache part. Everything very similar. The way we're doing same in our model. Everyone winning, proper winning, right? Now to understand the marketing part, how they market, they project their model into the worldwide. How many people, ask yourself, put your hand on their heart and tell me, anybody seen, any advertising on TV or Uber, WhatsApp, Airbnb, Facebook, Twitter and all? No. Any boarding hoarding behind the buses? No. How they become worldwide? Right? The big reason is win-win. These people making some money, they want to help their loved ones as well, so they can make some money. And that's the reason they spread the word. Free advertising with building their network. For what? For small money. Think big, guys. Think big. It's a one life to enjoy, and I'm not saying to gamble here. I'm saying be organized. Be organized. Understand, upgrade your thinking here. Come out from those associations. I'm not saying to ignore them. They were loved ones, our good friends and all. I'm saying move around with some successful people as well. Understand their mindset. Right now, smart marketing. Here's some people come with these smart ideas. Right, I'm going to talk about Airbnb here because I read the biography. When the Airbnb start and start doing marketing, he said he'd gone through so much challenges because people they say, man, how can you assure us you're not going to send somebody, pedophile or some criminal into my house? He says, I'm going to check everything. He said, people they say, we don't know Airbnb, we never heard Airbnb. Who are you? So this guy have to go through so many challenges. He's saying around more than thousands or couple of thousand people, you have to go through. After that, couple of people, they come to their platform. Vice and versa with Facebook, LinkedIn, Uber, Amazon, like that, right? And once it's done, you know what? That's called one concept called time compounding, where you have a 24-hour, right? After that, you're adding people hours into your own business platform. And now when these people come to their platform, they like the platform, they're talking to their loved ones. Now, before all these people, they're doing the marketing by themselves. Now, so many people doing marketing. And after that, the coronavirus spread like crazy. It's after that is piece of game. They can enjoy because of exponential growth taking place, right? And that's the reason maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, their business didn't grow. 5 years, their business didn't grow. But after that, small changing happens, small things, activity start happening. 6 years, 7 year, 8 year, 1 billion, 2 billion, 10 billion. Amazing, amazing. If they can do that, and if we want to understand their mindset, we need to do exactly the same, guys. I'm not asking something different out of the box. What they've been done already, we need to do exactly the same. But are we alone in this business venture? No. As I mentioned, amazing mentorship program, guys. Amazing mentorship program. You got no idea what I'm talking about because I've seen from my own eyes. I'm a big student of this mentorship program. Because of this mentorship program, we managed to grow. Thanks for this platform, right? Now, again, remember E quadrant and B quadrant mindset. Now, imagine you see this business platform. You go back to your same people, those who love, right? Ask the advisor, see your business concept. I'm sure they will come with the idea. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Chain business, MLM business, people joining business. Oh, it's a pyramid scheme. You're going to be big time done. Are we asking any money from you guys? We're not asking any money here. We're giving you just like a free concept, like a WhatsApp concept, Amazon concept, Facebook concept, free. This concept is free. Now, understand the B mindset. How they use this platform, which we categorize in a chain business, MLM business, people joining business. Chain business, Burger King, chain of restaurant, McDonald's, chain of restaurant, KFC, Subway, chain of restaurant. MLM, I don't know, multi-level marketing this is. If we never seen advertising of Uber, Amazon and all, how they become global. Must be I talk to my friend talk to somebody else, so on and so forth. Now, those people on the E quadrant, S quadrant, oh, we understand, we know everything. They're smart. And that's the reason where they are there basically. They don't want to upgrade their mindset. Those who upgrade their mindset, they Mark Zuckerberg, start Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Uber. They say, man, you keep saying the MLM. Thank you very much. We don't want too many competition here. But yeah, you keep building our network. Thank you very much. You're happy with Pennies? Good. Thank you to us to make a billionaire because we help them to grow. People joining business. How many people join somebody else's business? Did you join 3 network? Did you join over Vodafone network? How many people we tell, man, E is a fantastic network. Join their network. We can join somebody else's network. These E quadrant, S quadrant people. But we don't want to start something in which people can join our network. But we are passionate, doing PhD degree, passionate to go to pyramid. What I mean by, whenever you start the business, whenever you go to this pyramid area, we work very hard. These people make more money, right? So think about it, guys. Understand. See, imagine, guys, look at this. This is a time scale. This is a 2020. Go back to 2015. This is 2025 in the future. Last 5 years, whatever your saving is, if you're saving, giving you this kind of phase, if you keep doing same action, you're going to have the same result after 5 years. It means you need to either add some different action to get different result, or you have to totally change your action. Now, if you go changing your job, I never seen, somebody having a Maserati, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, working in a job sector. Yeah, you can have Mercedes, BMW, but that will be on installment. I can tell you. I've seen so many people having Mercedes, BMW, but when I ask, well, what's installment? Oh, this is installment, right? But yeah, it's your life, guys. It's your life. It's only one life. You want to enjoy. You can work a little bit more smarter. You're working hard anyway. Right. So we're coming to our business model now. We done the research. We got lots of information. We understand where we're making mistake, to whom we're supposed to approach. Now, here we go. This is your house. This house is full of passive expenses. What I mean by passive expenses, doesn't matter you go for work or not, you're living or you're dead, you're alive, whatever, you have a broken bone or something, but those expenses will keep coming to your house, keep knocking your door, your electricity bill, your council tax, your water bill, all those are going to keep coming. So how we control those expenses? We go for job. Again, activity based. Something happened to us, no money going to come. Whole family will disrupt, right? How we make money in a job? We trade our time. In return, we get salary. And all those hard-earned money, we go to supermarket. Why? Because the liability-based expense. Now, we all know these supermarkets, they are not a manufacturer. Behind the scene, there's a global distribution model chain works. What I mean by these supermarkets, they get the stuff from stockist. Okay? Stockist, they get the stuff from importer. Importer, they get the stuff from exporter. Exporter, they get the stuff from manufacturer. Now, here's one example. You buy this marker pen for £1, bring your home for £1. Average in a retail market, the profit margin is 25% profit margin, which is the gross. It's not net, it's a gross profit margin. Net is come around 9 to 12%, depend on the product, right? Anything you buy in this country for £1, it have to be come from China, India, Pakistan, Malaysia, Bangladesh, somewhere where the labor is cheap. And anything manufacturing costs more than 10p, you won't be able to buy for £1. You have to £1 plus, right? The question comes, if 10p made by this manufacturer and 25p made by this retailer, where's the 65p gone? 65p gone on middleman, right? Now, if I ask you one question, all these people, I'm sure you agree with me, they have a Ferrari, Maserati, Lamborghini, Mercedes, BMW, cash paid, right? Who's helping them to make money? This person. Either you keep working smart with the tie and all, impressing people, take your shoes out, you will see so many holes there, buddy. but you never do that. You don't take your shoes off because you know there's a hole. You want to show your expensive suit, which you bought on a saving. You know, face the reality. Why I know all these things? Because I used to do the same thing, right? Now I'm living in a reality. So if this person helping all those people making money, why? Because this person going to shopping here. Will it be a nice idea if you can connect with this manufacturer? Yes. So just give me a thumbs up here, guys. If I give you opportunity to start your business, which sector you want to go? In a manufacturer, on a retail, or a middleman? I'm sure you're going to say middleman, because no headache here, no factory, no retailing, making more money, right? But if we follow these middlemen, this is called a very old fashioned, because we need to supply to this supermarket, right? And we don't have a connection, and we don't have that kind of capacity to fulfill their requirement. But now look very carefully. I'm going to show you some very smart businessmen here. They come with a smart idea. They understand these people making money because the people living here, they going there to shopping. They say, man, wow, we have fantastic idea. We all know this business models. What they say is, man, we're not going to approach in a supermarket. We're going to approach people here. We're going to empower them. You go to YouTube, how to sell on Amazon or eBay or Alibaba. There is lots of tutorial there by these companies. They empower these people so they can make money. Win-win. And they promise, that they're never going to sell anything to these people from their platform. They empower people in the house. Why? They empower them in a two way. Either they help them to saving money, and from the comfort zone, everything coming to the house. Or they can use this platform to make money. That's the middleman. Why? The middleman, because they also have a connection with this supermarket, directly and indirectly. Understand that, guys. Directly, indirectly, they have a connection with this manufacturer. So we understand that we need to outsource the headache part of product. We need a manufacturer, right? So we basically building a quite similar kind of model here, which is you, where we also have a connection with the manufacturer directly and indirectly. And what we're doing, we're also empowering these people here to making money. Very simple, global concept, helping people. So we found one manufacturer who's ready to supply us directly all those products. Who's this manufacturer? This manufacturer called Amway. If you heard about Amway, good. This is an incredibly great company. You already know that then. I don't need to explain much. But those who don't know about this company, man, this is a fantastic manufacturer company where we outsource our fantastic product. Our product just like an Apple phone. Well quality, but very economical. It's around after Microsoft, I came to know. After Microsoft, this is the second corporation in the world who generate most millionaire guys. You buy toothbrush from a Tesco, Morrison, Asda. Once you use, you won't get money back. But here, whatever you buy or your client buy, they have a 3-month satisfaction guarantee. If they're not happy in 2 months using the toothbrush, they still can get their money back. Plus, they get postage back. Here, I want to talk more about the product, but the right person, I want to call my wife. She got immense knowledge about the product and the corporation as well, and she have a fantastic experience. I want her to share some of her experience. So just bear with me. I'm going to pass it to my wife.
Hello everyone, Seema here. My background is finance, but very, very excited about the wonderful opportunity we're building it together with 2 wonderful kids. I'm going to share my experience. Why did we chose to go for Amway? When I was looking at the opportunity, when I was told that Amway is present in 100+ countries, we were sold. We thought it's mean that 100 governments check the credibility of the company. So it's mean I don't have to do any research or anything. There are 1 million+ users. So not just 1 or 2 people, or 100 people, 1,000 people, 1 million+ people who are building Amway business. So there must be something, they see something in there. So when we see the people from all sort of background, we have a bank manager, we have a lorry driver, we have a NASA scientist, all these people, students, manufacturers, whatever, there's no qualification, but they're building this business a part-time. We have a 500+ products in UK. Like just Dave mentioned, just to manufacture 4 or 5 products, how much headache we have to go through. Here we're getting a distribution of 500 plus product, so which we have we can sell and build business as well. Scientific laboratory. So it's mean that quality of the products will never go down. There's so many things into it, but there are a couple of things which catches my eyes that definitely this is a good business. And and more thing I like it, I can do it while building whatever I'm doing. Whatever with my current job and commitment I have, I can do it as a plan B. So it doesn't disturb whatever I'm doing. These are some of the the brands we are incorporate with Nutrilite. Nutrilite, if I speak about the brands, I will be a whole night, but that's not the plan. So just sit back with the person who invited you. They can give you more information. As in, like in Nutrilite, we are just go to direct selling. You can see the Nutrilite #1. We have Body Key, which is our weight loss program. Access, our energy drink. Artistry, was skincare brand, which is among top 5 prestigious skincare brand. GNH, Him, Home Care. All I understood, like all the products are essential products, which is fast moving consumer good. So this is like with the anyway money, we're getting an opportunity to make money. We just jumped in straight away. And the mentorship program. Like we can have a good business if there is no mentorship, no coaching. Even if we get, like, say, if the Amazon said, here's the keys, from tomorrow onwards, you can run the office. Can we run it? No, because we need a coaching and mentorship. Here, it's coming as a complete package. Because we come from the conventional business background. We know that how much, just running a small business, how headache it could be. Here, we're running a big multi-billion business with a coaching and mentorship program, where people are willing to help you and they can help you as well. Yeah. And what more can we ask for? There's so many companies here which are partner company of Amway in USA. And here we're getting an opportunity to be a partner with wonderful company. Incentive trips. It's like a complete package. So you make money and enjoy money as well. Here are some of the leaders who went to the trips. There's some of the trips that you can see the leaders in the end as well. And there's some of the trips. You can hear from them in the end as well. I'm going to pass it to Dave. He's going to share how to make money in the business. So just all eyes and all ears, just make a note on how to make money. Fire to Dave.
Right. So far, you guys understand. Concept is very good. We've done the research. We compare our business model to the current scenario. And I realized in our business model, the people who are winning on the other side, they're not winning small money. They're winning 100% profit sharing platform. Again, with the fantastic our coaching and PWD, coaching and mentorship program. That's again, it's all free, right? We've been we're gonna be loaded by all those apps and all the resources, fully loaded. But how to use those? Imagine you have a gun to fire on enemy. If you don't know how to unlock your gun, how are you gonna fire? So again, you're gonna have all the resources as well. Streaming audios and video, because remember the E quadrant and S quadrant? Whenever we try to go on B quadrant, they love to start pulling our leg down, right? Here's the streaming audio and video where we listen our own people on this business who become a millionaire, right? We listen their story, how the people they're pulling their leg down, how they overcome all those challenges, and how we need to do what sort of nuggets, to build this. All those things there again for free, guys. The best part I like this business and conferences. Right? I'm doing like this. Why I'm doing like this? The reason I'm doing like this, because I'm doing a multi-billion-dollar business. Just take any billionaire in your name. I'll take Richard Branson or Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg. Whenever they go for office, what they do? They do meeting, 1 o'clock meeting, 2 o'clock meeting, lunch, 4 o'clock meeting, 5 o'clock meeting, go home. Meeting, business conference, meeting, business conference, meeting. That's it. And that's how they make money. What they do in the business conferences and in the meetings, they talk about product, services, and building a network. 3 things. That's how we build our business. Through meetings, conferences, and conferences, we talk about product, services, and building a big network. So that shows, our business model is amazing. And that's the reason I get so crazy. That's what sometimes look say, man, when you show this presentation, you get so excited. Man, I can't tell you, I can't even breathe when I'm talking about this business. I get so excited. 3 different ways to make money in this business. The first one is a retail profit, bonuses, which is your profit sharing platform, and third, incentives, which Seema will talk about as well. So let's understand how we make money in this business. As I mentioned, this is a win-win business model, right? The time you move your shopping location from Tesco, Morris and Astor, coming to your own website, your.com, you.com, right? Cameras.com, somanmansi.com, grishbello.com, devseema.com, anything, your own platform, your own website, web link. You change your shopping location and you start buying, you become your first retailer. And the people who's living surrounded with your mom, dad, uncle, auntie, brother, cousins, you know, they can be your retailer. So the time you generate this kind of money, 320, your main income per month income come to 66 pounds. Again, these are not conventional business. When you open the shop, straight away you're making 100 pound, 1,000 pound sale, and you're making, 100, 200 net profit and all. It's not like that. Here we're creating a system. So the systems are taking place instead of us. So we can come out, enjoy our life, and the money keep coming to us, right? So do not look for this. Again, penny make pound, we all heard that. Now I'm going to show you how penny make pounds and pound make billions. So the time you do that, again, to run a big global concept, you need a nice, smart people team. You need some partner to run this global business model. So at the time you understand the concept, you talk some business-minded people, those who are open to learn, willing to humble enough to willing to learn. They do the same. They say, man, let us know, we're going to work together. So here you have two partners here. What they're doing same. 5 customers they have also. But here, the amount basically, they used to go in a Tesco, Morrison, Asda till. Now, because he endorsed here, he didn't endorse WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon building their business. He endorsed his own business model. So the money used to go in Tesco till now part of his turnover. When he's doing that, his profit margin rose to second kind of income, which is a 3%. Now versus PVs. PV is like a currency because we're working a global distribution model, and every country they have their own currency. And when we convert a pound into rupees, the exchange rate come in between, right? And because we can't argue with these companies who do exchange rate, convert our money into rupees and all, because we don't have access, we say, well, whatever exchange rate, that's it. But here Amway says, we will be clear. Anything global platform, the second kind of income, we're talking about our own currency, PV. So we come out from the exchange rate, so it's a transparency. So 1 PV in UK is £2, 1 PV in India is 80 rupees, 1 PV in USA, $4, Australia, $8, so on and so forth, right? So just for calculation purpose, we talk about UK only. So you understand the calculation. These partners can be any part of the world, right, guys? So here the guys, the 2 people that says, fantastic, we want to be a partner. What they did, they changed the shopping location. So what they make 66 pounds, right? Combined turnover, because he endorsed. So the combined turnover, he making 16 retail profit from his retailing, plus the total turnover from their all together, he making 18%, 3% profit sharing platform, right? All you have to do now helping these people so they can have a partner as well. When they have a partner, they also become a 3%. Here we go. Now building his business, he gets some more partner and he helping them to how to go 3%. How much they're making? They're making 84 pounds, right? They're making 84 pounds. Why? Because that's the effort. This is the network, right? This is the network. He's helping them to how to go 3%. While he's helping them, as I remember, I said win-win. The turnover getting bigger, and the turnover affecting him because he and helping people, endorsing people at the same time, building his network more, getting more partner on board. And with that, his income rose to 197. Now, what he need to do? He need to help people to go 9%, these people to go to 9% as well, what he did. So he learned something to go 9%. Now he's helping other people to go 9%. So they can make similar kind of an income. So when he do that, by the time he's doing that, he gets some more partner. So by the time he got 6 partner here. And he's helping people to go to 9%. Now, do they stick with the 9%? Can't they go like him on 21%? Yeah, they can. This person can be very ambitious. He can have more than 6 partner, like maybe 10 partner. If you have 10 partner, he's making more money than this person. Because there is no pyramid scheme. It depends how bigger your network. In UK, the E is a bigger network, bigger net worth. Facebook is a bigger network, is a bigger net worth. WhatsApp is a small network, small net worth, right? So here, by the time helping these people to go 9%, they're making 197, and he's making 2,324 pounds, right? All you have to do, help these people to go to 21%, all of them. The time he do that, they're making around 3,000 pounds per month, because this is a network. And combined, because he helped these three people, he is called Emerald in the business, which is making around 50,000 pounds a year. And vice versa, when he helped another three people, which is here, they are making 3,000, but he is making 70,000. Anybody stopping them to cross this person? No. They can big more bigger networks, so they can cross this person as well. I've seen so many people in this forum, right? But main thing comes, oh man, I like this concept, it's fantastic concept, but I'm very busy. Man, think about it, man. Think about it. When I ask, I'm very busy. And when I ask for B quadrant, they said to me, Dave, you're too busy to make thousands. You don't have time to make millions. When are you going to be a millionaire? But you really don't have a time? I said, man, I'm really busy. He says, man, 8 hours you sleep, 10 hours maximum you work. You still have a 6 hour. What do you do with the 6 hour? It's a spare time. This is a prime time for you. But I don't understand how can be my spare time be prime time? Then another B quadrant guy says, man, then I understand what is mean by it. Because my spare time, when you go to pub, club, discos and all, that's my spare time. But somebody else, organizer, making money on my spare time, guys. Right? You understand my point? When we watch TV, our spare time, but somebody else making money, for them is a prime time. Right? The time I go to on this platform, on social network platform, somebody else making on our spare time become for them a prime time. We're not saying to not go to work to build this business or stop doing all those activities. We say keep doing this activity, keep going there, keep watching TV, keep surfing on this platform, but we'll teach you on our mentorship program how to convert those prime time, doing same activity. But now we're going to do smartly with the help of BWW mentorship program, how we can leverage and make tons of money from this business, not on one currency, on a multiple currency, guys. Choice is yours, guys. On this, you have a manufacturer willing to supply you without asking any money. Of course, when you supply, you pay for that particular product, right? Not free. Again, institute is free to teach you, guide you, mentor you, right? All you have to do in this business, changing your shopping location and be humble to learn how to build this business through BWW, right? This sharing, this concept that we're going to work together with you. You won't alone. You don't need to worry about that part. That's going to work as a team, as a unity. You have to understand, if you want fast, you walk alone. But if you want far, you work together. You walk together. We want to walk far. We want to work together, guys. Right? But after that, again, this requires some courage. Courage to come out from our sofa. And again, if you ask from B quadrant people, they give you this advice. Choice is yours, right? So I'm sure, I didn't make you bore, guys. But yes, might be somebody who want to go to on Google, who want to know about all this manufacturer, BW and all. I say, must go on Google. But on Google, then you type amway.co.uk. The reason, when you want, say example, you want to check your credit history. You go to Google, but then you go to a particular site to check your credit history. So if you want to check the history or credit of this about this company, these are the right places to go. Right? Otherwise, it's your choice. Right? So I hope I've done the justice. With this, back to our awesome host.
Wow. Thank you very much for the wonderful presentation, Dave and Seema. It's really an eye-opener.